Do you want to know how I made this ball of yarn into a chicken? Let's see how I did it. First, I cast on with the white yarn onto the knitting machine. And knit around for 45 rows. Then I switched to some waste yarn and knitted with that for another few rows. Then took it off the machine. Next step was to close up one side, which I did by pulling that tail very tightly. And then securing it more with a needle. Next, I started adding stuffing, and since this is knit and it stretches out a lot, I needed a lot of stuffing for this. Then with a crochet hook, I began closing up the second side of the chicken. Before I reached the end, I added on the eyes. Added a bit more stuffing, finished up closing, and took off the waste yarn. Then I made, I think it's called the comb, that red thingy on top. So I basically chained 3 with a crochet hook and then made 2 double crochets into that stitch. Then 3 double crochets into the next stitch. And finished off with 2 half double crochets into the next stitch. Next, with a thick yarn, I made the mouth, just basically going back and forth a few times. And that's it. That's how I made this knitted chicken. I really like how it came out and think it's adorable. What do you think about it?